Erin Farquhar, and welcome to my newest listing in Port Orchard on just over 4 acres. You have to see this slice of Northwest paradise. This inviting 3-bedroom, 1 3/4 bath home offers space to live, play, and grow. With over 1,600 square feet of open living space, enjoy a generous kitchen, spacious dining area, and a primary suite with a 5-piece bath and a walk-in closet. The oversized 2-car garage includes bonus shop or storage space. A charming chicken coop awaits your flock, while fruit trees, berry bushes, and medicinal plants offer garden-to-table potential. Gather around the fire pit or dream big with room for livestock, a garden, or future detached ADU. This home and property provides a joyful blend of comfort, nature, and opportunity. Don't miss your chance in checking out this property in person. You can give me or your agent a call.